So come aboard this year. Follow along with gear in the global gardening and homesteading skills. Hey, this is Just Old Gear. Today I'm here to show you that you can afford to garden and that you can do it. Often we hear, well, I can't really afford to garden, or I'm not sure I can do it. I'm here to tell you, if Old Gear can do it, I know you can do it. Anybody can do it if Old Gear can do it. So, you can't afford gardening? Let me show you some of the cheapest ways to do it. Or if you're not sure if you can do it, you can start out with the cheapest ways to do it. Get your fingers in the dirt, try a little bit, and you'll see that you can do it. Then you can expand to bigger and greater things. So you can afford gardening. You can't afford planters. You can't afford a raised bed. You don't have any good soil in the ground. Well, here we go. We got a water jug, milk container, empty soda bottles, empty cat treats, empty Miracle Whip jar, or it could be a mayo jar, whichever way you swing on the dressing for your sandwiches, and red Solo cup. But you can afford gardening. Everybody has some of this stuff in their house. You might not have all of it, but I'm sure you have at least one thing of it. And on the soil, you can get a cheap bag of potting soil at your dollar stores. Anywhere from like $3 to $5 for smaller bags. That's enough to get you started. However, if you do have property and you have oak trees and you have wooded property, go out there to the woods, dig beneath those leaves, and get you some of that real good soil right there, and put it in your containers, and you'll grow. Alright, so we have the containers. We clean the containers out. We use good soapy water. The next step is taking our handy dandy drill some holes in the bottom. With this milk jug, I'm going to drill 3 holes in the bottom. And we'll do 4 for that big of a spot. We'll do 4 holes. This ain't a real big drill bit. If you don't have a drill, why, get you a nail of some sort and a candle. If you just have a short nail, use a pair of pliers, vice grips, channel locks, whatever you have, and heat the nail up and then gently poke the hole in there. And if you can do it that way, that's probably the better route. However, I like the faster route. So you ready to grow? Are you pumped? You ready to start gardening? You can do it. Gear believes in you. So after you've drilled your holes or used a hot nail to make the holes, the next step is making your cuts on the containers. You could use scissors, shears, a knife, whatever kind of cutting tool you prefer. We've already went ahead and done that. This is how I cut the 2-liter bottle. We're going to do it long ways like that. Same with the small one there. The milk jugs we cut in half. This is let us afford gardening or let us begin gardening. Whichever one you're doing or going to do, let's grow. I'm showing you how. Speaking of lettuce, we're going to grow black seeded Simpson lettuce and super red romaine lettuce. These are $2 a pack of seeds, and the black seeded Simpson lettuce, 1,000 seeds. That one's used, but we got a new one too. And the super red romaine lettuce, we have 500 seeds, $2 for a packet. You can buy those at mygardener.com, not affiliated in any ways. However, it is a good business to deal with, good guy, good family. You can go to any of your big box stores. You can go to your dollar stores, and they're either 2 packs for $1 or 4 packs for $1. If you're just getting started, don't worry about what other people say about those seeds. I've used them, and I will be using them too. Just grow your own food. Get started. Learn how. Let's go. Come on. One day it may be needed, and I hope to teach you how to do it right now. So we're going to fill these containers up with our whatever kind of soil you have. I have potting soil. I'm going to fill these up, fill them up. Then we're going to take the lettuce seeds, and we'll be back. Hey Gear, what if I have a little bit of money and I don't want to recycle these plastics to start? What if I want something, I need something that looks a little bit decent so I can put it on my porch, balcony, or in the yard, in the backyard, wherever. Well, you got little planters like these. This is a 5PP, which is one of the safest plastics to grow in. You can get containers like this at your Tree of the Dollar for $1.25 a piece. They are a little bit bigger, but they're perfect for growing little things like lettuce in. So yeah, you got a bigger container though. Hey, you can get some sticks, break them down, and what is this, about 5.5 inches deep. Put some sticks about an inch down there, and that'll take up some space. And guess what? Those sticks will retain moisture too, and they'll decompose over time and add to the soil. So we got 3 holes down there, little good sized holes. We're going to put some soil in here and let us plant. You can do it, guys. Come on. All right, we have our soil in our containers. We have our black-seeded Simpson lettuce seed, some real small seed. Take a little bit in your hand right here, not a whole lot of it at a time, and we'll sprinkle it in our containers. This 2-gallon soda bottle, oh, let's say 15 seeds. Be generous. We have 1,000 seeds. This container we'll put, let's say that was 10 seeds. And we'll put the seed in there. We'll gently pat it down. You can kind of cover it up. It don't need to be covered up very much. And then we'll gently water it in, and it'll grow. So let us get started gardening. Let us afford gardening. Let us grow lettuce. You don't need a lot, just a good mix of dirt, soil, potting soil, anything good for gardening. So if I can sow it, so can you. If I can grow it, so can you. So affordable gardening, let's get started on a budget. You can do it. I believe in you. This is just Old Gear. And I guess I'm out of here. Let's grow. Let's go. Let's sow. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. It doesn't have to be magic. But when you sow the seed and it grows, it's so magical. Yes, I know I can't sing, but hey, I can grow lettuce and you can too. So, please don't let that singing scare you off. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.